In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reopen your account on Monzo. If you previously closed your account and want to come back, I'll walk you through what to expect from start to finish with practical tips to make the process smooth. First, give it time. Monzo generally needs a 30-day cooling off period after you close an account before they can reopen it. If it hasn't been that long, set a reminder and avoid starting the process early because support won't be able to complete it until that window has passed. If you're not sure when you closed it, open the app or check past emails for the confirmation date. Next, get your details ready. Have the personal information you originally used on the account, your current residential address, and a short explanation of why you want to reopen. Make sure the Monzo app is installed and updated, and that you can access the email and mobile device you used for security checks. If anything major has changed since you closed the account, such as your address, be prepared to confirm the new information. Now, contact Monzo support. The easiest route is inside the app. Go to Help and start a chat. Then say you'd like to reopen a previously closed account and that you've waited 30 days. If you can't sign in, you can start from the help center on the website and follow the prompts to reach support. Keep your message short and clear so the agent can route your request quickly. You'll likely be asked to verify your identity. This often involves submitting a photo of a valid government ID and recording a quick selfie video. Do this in a well-lit place, double check that the name and date of birth match what's on your account, and make sure the photos are crisp with all corners visible. If any details have changed, tell the agent so they can update your profile while they verify you. Finally, get a new card if needed. When an account is closed, the old card is usually canceled. Support can order a fresh one and let you know delivery times. After it arrives, activate it in the app, add it to your mobile wallet, and update any subscriptions or direct debits. Don't use an old card unless support confirms it's still valid. That's it. Wait 30 days, prepare your details, contact support, complete identity checks, and request a new card if necessary. Keep an eye on your app notifications and email for updates, and you'll be back up and running soon.